Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add funds to BullX.io. By the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, now just go ahead and log into BullX.io, and once you're in here, just go to the left panel and click on Wallet Manager. Okay, click on it and make sure that you already have a primary wallet. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and click on New Wallet right here. Okay, as you can see here, we now have another wallet. Now what you'll do, if you want this one to make your primary wallet, just click on 3 dots beside it and make it primary. But this one for now, this one is my primary wallet, okay, with the BullX logo. So what we'll do is just go ahead over to the right panel, and here, since we're adding funds, just click on Add Funds, okay? And here we have the QR code. You can go ahead and use this one to scan using your phone's crypto wallet, or just copy the address, okay? But make sure under Add Funds, select the cryptocurrency or token, okay? Let's say I'm going to go ahead and transfer Sol. Now what we'll do is just copy the wallet address right here. Then go ahead and open up Phantom or any other wallets, okay? It could be MetaMask or some other wallets. I'm going to go ahead and use Phantom for now. And in here, I'm just going to tap on Send. Now I'm going to go ahead and select Solana as well, right here. Solana, and then just enter the wallet address. Okay, just make sure that you have funds as well. Now enter the amount, maybe 10 Sol. And then once done, just hit on Next, follow simple prompts, and in no time, your BullX.io account will have a Solana balance in no time. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.